Okay, so, hello. Hello, Mr. Jet. How are you doing? I do fine, don't you? This is Jet, my beautiful Labrador. He is super old, and yes. Oh my god, don't get close to the camera. Dude. Hello. 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 And then, here's my cute little pug, Peaches. She is so lovely. Just look at this. I might post Minecraft videos on my channel as well, even though it is called Ashton Vlogs. I might change it back to Ashton's Sugar. So I might make Minecraft videos out of it, and Peaches doesn't have a channel, but she's gonna post videos on my channel. So yes, I love these dogs. So let's get to the music when we're playing. So I just ended the music there. So we just had a nice hour of fun. So please subscribe to me. Love you guys. Peaches and Jet love you. Go rescue a dog if I can pick.